Hi viewers, welcome back to SHS Tech Solutions. This is the 9th tutorial for CSS3 beginners. Today in this tutorial we discuss on the topic is how to create full page background image. What we discuss on today? Full page background image creation using HTML and CSS. Today we mainly discuss on this tutorial we will learn on how to create full page background image in HTML and CSS. How to write code for full page background image using HTML and CSS. I will explain each and everything with coding. Before going to coding, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap, AngularJS, and digital marketing technologies like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web tutorials and digital marketing technologies are provided the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. You can directly get notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, I'm going to topic. This is the basic HTML structure. We all of you know. First of all, once we will check the output for this HTML. This is the output. Header. Div class. Sorry. Full page background image creation using HTML and CSS. Using HTML and CSS. Div class equal to suppose hero image. So check the output for HTML. And this is the output. Next, I will write the CSS for this. Adding 0. Next, body, background, URL, from images folder, no repeat, center, pixel, background size cover. So check the output. This is the output. This is the full page background image. Next, I will write h1 header, next align center, color white, font size 3 pixel.
అది మిమ్మల్ని తీసుకువెళ్ళండి.
Font family 3. Yeah, okay. Border bottom 5x solid right. color white. So guys, this is the process to write full page background image creation using HTML and CSS. I hope we all understand how to create full page background image. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing again. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies and digital marketing technologies also. So guys, please like, share my videos and please subscribe my channel. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.